Hey guys, how you doing? I'm going to be doing something a little different today on the channel. I'm going to be reviewing some floor mats, some all-weather floor mats that I received from a gentleman named Saxton Lambert. He has a store out on Amazon. I'll be putting that link down in the information below. But I'm going to do an honest review today on these floor mats, and I'm going to be comparing them to my factory GMC all-weather floor mats. Pros and cons, whatever it takes. So let's get to it. Alright guys, this is how the box comes in from Amazon. I'm going to unbox it and I'll be right back. Alright, this is everything that was in the box, guys. Got lots of parts to install. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm just going to try to show you on this right side here how easy these are to install on the back of the seats. So I've got this one installed already. I'm going to replace the factory GMC one with the aftermarket one here. So here we go. Basically, this is just on by Velcro, so I get that out of the way. This one has Velcro all the way around on all of the corners, so it actually fits on there better than the GMC one does. And you just line this up. Probably easier if I did the seat forward a little bit. You get the other one out of the way too. So basically just tuck this down. Velcro works good. Get it lined up. At the top of the seat. And then just like that. Make sure the Velcro is touching everywhere. Then you just take this thing and it says up. You just stick that on there and snap it in. You take this loop thing and you loop it over the front of the seat like this. Tighten it up and you're good to go. Fits on there good. It actually fits on there nicer than the factory GMC one does because of the Velcro all the way around. Not sure about these string things. I'll leave them on there for now. Doesn't really need them. Not exactly sure what they're for. Doesn't really say. I'll just tuck it like this. Leave it like that. But there you go on the back of the seats. What I will say I do not like at all about the factory GMC floor mats is there is no handle hole here for the handle that's underneath. They're only held on by just a little bit of Velcro. And then these flaps here that are supposed to lay down, they don't do it. They are always in this position no matter what I do. So we'll see how the aftermarket ones do. So I really couldn't show the install of this, but I just lined up the little handle hole there and it just laid down. There is Velcro all around this whole area here, so these are on here nice and tight. So if I raise these seats back up, it looks like they're going to stay where they're supposed to be. No problem. That is definitely a plus over the factory GMC ones. The factory GMC ones are just super flimsy, and these are a lot heavier duty, and they compensated with the Velcro to take care of that problem. Another addition is that the under storage area, that when you lift this up, it came with a floor mat. I'm not sure that necessarily needs this floor mat, but it came with a floor mat for inside of this area, so it's nice if you were to spill something, it'd be a lot easier to clean up. So plus to that. Back seat mats, they fit just like the GMC ones do. Not a whole lot of difference in size. They are still a two-piece. The back third row seat is a T. It separates right here, and then it's one mat across the front here. It does seem to fit a lot better on the contours than the factory ones do. The front row, this is where they shine, because the factory ones stop way down here and they leave this gray carpet exposed. So if you back your feet up all the way to here, you're getting your carpet dirty. And you can see, man, it goes all the way underneath the seat, all the way around. Contour's good all the way around this corner. The factory GMC ones do not even make this corner bend, and they do not go up and over this lip of the entryway. Driver's side, it's even better. Comes around, covers this lip, goes around the corner here, up and under the seat, up over there. And then the really nice thing is I don't know why on the factory GMC ones, this footrest here, it stops about right here. So if you have a big foot like me, size 14, the top of my shoe is way up here, and you can see I've gotten the carpet dirty because this right here is where the factory GMC weather Floormat stopped at. So these are nice, fit in there really well. They will get better as they stay in here and get heated up and form a lot better, but they are a nice fit. Definitely better than these factory GMs that you can purchase. Mine just happened to come with it on the package on the car that I bought, or I would not have bought them. But definitely am liking this upgrade here. Last thing this kit comes with are these pieces here that cover up the step into the third row. They're double-sided sticky tape and then Velcro. You would put them and they cover up the entire thing. They would slide in here, cover up that entire thing, Velcro down, and you would have protection for that step also. And then also your paint kick plate here, you could Velcro in these pieces here if you wanted to. But other than that, that should be it. Thanks, guys. There's one other little piece right here. I didn't want to cover up my Denali, so I will not be installing this one. Thanks again.